Here we go.
How are you supposed to film this?
It's gonna be a bumpy ride.
Snow up to a plowed field uphill. What?
Now we gotta get more camera people.
Miles is gonna get soaked. Like there's no floor in the truck.
Stuck. Stuck.
Is it?
Nice.
Oh yeah, he plans on going through the pond. He can't get out of it.
There it goes. Oh.
Oh, that's an icebreaker video? You're You're fucking stuck, moron! God, he made it 10 feet! Do you think you can drive into it?
How deep is the water? Like 30, 40 feet?
Oh no, it's not even. It's like maybe 8 feet over there maybe, by the dock, not even. 6 feet. He needs to run down that hill into the water, that's what I think.
Into the truck with the water with him in it?
Oh yeah, there'll be water going in there. There's no floor.
Oh, no way. Bouncing at his head. That guy's on ball. He'll get out.
See Miles filming inside. Well, that was great. You made us come down here for fucking nothing. Sucker. Oh shit.
Fucking waterfall, man. Look at that shit. Holy shit. Hit the fucking snowman!
Yeah, he's smart.
again.
Oh yeah.
He's mad.
More speed! Come down the hill!
More speed.
More speed! It's deeper out there!
He's planning right now, eh? What's he doing?
He's got his textbook out. Well, right now.
Commentary.
Faster!
What's he doing? Making a line?
Yeah. There we go. Oh, that stops good.
Stop dead.
Now he's done.
What's wrong? What do you say? What?
Holy shit, look at that ice. Look at that shit. Oh no!
What's wrong with you? When I say snowman,
You crazy bastard! What's up?
okay, we're gonna see if we can get back to the barn.
I don't know how much usable footage you're gonna get out of this.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! There's one before. Please, I'm not gonna make it through. Oh! Well, I can't park it now because there's too many vehicles in the way, so. The dog is last. Oh, is a radiator ever pissing? That was a workout. Definitely a workout. Just about wrecked my new battery. Oh, the cap was just gushing over. Huge radiator spot.
Is the rad breaking on anymore?
I don't know, but just look at the rad cradle, how fucked it is. Look at it. The rad's like falling out somewhat.
That was the only bolt that wasn't stripped, wasn't it?
I'm gonna have to weld a piece right across there. Hey! Snowman?
Yeah, me and Adam together.
Whose boobs did you model those after?
Mine.
Very nice. You need a bra for those, or?